Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use credits on Cnfans. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're wondering how to exactly use your credits here on Cnfans, well, there is something that you could do here to start spending them. Now the thing with Cnfans here, as long as you start using the platform, start buying things for it, you could gain credits here. Now, in order for you to use them, what you need to do is you need to access your account. So at the top right here, obviously you need to log in into Cnfans first, but at the top right here, you should see your account. Let's go and click on my account here. And under my account at the left side here, you should see a bunch of things. So you want to go and expand the option for my assets, and you want to go and click on my credits. Now in the my credit section, this is where you'll be able to see your current balance for your credits. So it should also display your credit details and also your redeem record. So if you redeem something before, this is where you'll be able to see them. Now the thing with Cnfans here, in order for you to redeem products, you just need to click on redeem products here, and it will open up a link here, or a text box that you could enter a link of the product that you want to redeem. Now the credits that you earn here in Cnfans actually allows you to redeem products that is eligible here on Cnfans. But in order for you to use this currently, you need to use the mobile app in order for you to really utilize this. So if you want to redeem products, you need to open up the Cnfans app and basically log in from there. But usually speaking, on the redeem products page, you just need to enter or paste the link of the product that you want to redeem, and you should be able to redeem that product if you have enough credits. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.